This is a demonstration of the project that we did for week 9 of the bootcamp. It's the professional Readme generator. This Readme generator was written using Node.js and requires the fs library as well as the inquire library, which can be acquired by doing npm install inquire. To invoke the application through the command line, we simply type node index, which is the name of the main file for the project, and it runs a command line prompting you to enter some information. All of these prompts are written in with failsafes to where if the user does not enter any information, it'll continue to prompt them for that given information. Now we can test this application by filling out all the prompts and seeing the result. We are asked to first enter a project title. Now we can enter this as a cool title. Next, we are asked for the description. In the description, we can type something random like this is a cool project. Please use it. The installation instructions we provide will be how the user installs the application to run it. Download or clone onto local computer and run using, actually this can be provided later. Next, project usage info used to create professional README files. Contribution guidelines. Here we're going to provide NA because we don't want anybody to contribute to this project. Project test instructions, clone and run node index to verify it is working. Who contributed to this project? I'm going to insert my own name since I'm the only one that worked on it. Then we can select a license under which it is covered. We're going to stick with MIT. That is a list that only allows you to select one out of all the 4 options. Next, we provide our GitHub username, which I will provide, and then my email, which I will also provide in this field. Next, we are prompted with a message that says written successfully, which lets us know that no errors occurred, and we did in fact generate a nice looking markdown file. Looking at the readme.md file that was generated and viewing it as an actual rendered file, we can see that this is what our actual Node application generated. We can see the titles, we can see the headers, we can see the table of contents, and looking at the actual rendered file, we see our title, which is separated above everything else, followed by a actual license file, which describes what license our project is covered under, the description, the table of contents, the installation, the usage, the license, the contributing, tests, questions, and the credits for the file. This table of contents provides an easy way to navigate around this README file if it does get too long. By clicking on the different links, we are taken to different parts of the README. Also, moving down, we can see that the GitHub link we provided was embedded into the GitHub text, and by clicking on it, we would be taken to the GitHub page of the creator. We also provide a way to contact with additional questions using the email that was also provided. And this is a demonstration of the project that we created this week.